Yo, what's up guys, it's Barb here, and today we're going to be going on a short guide on Vita TV. If you don't know what this is, watch my last video, and I say at near the end of the video that I'm going to be showing tips on Vita TV. So first, you're going to want to go on the website, type in Vita.tv, like that. Go right on there and you'll be taken to this main page. So first, before I go over anything on the main page, I'm going to be showing your inventory. This is where all your items, what you earn, are stored. Here is what your claimed items are. As you can see, I've already done a bit. This account's pretty new, to be honest, 10 days old. I also have a second account which I've earned rewards on. Here's your emotes, badges, inventory. So now I'm going to be going over first what Gfuel is. So I can see I got 0.04 Gfuel. So Gfuel is where you can watch streams. So if I want to go watch this stream here, as you can see, Gfuel earned 0. So I'm just going to pause this here. So basically, Gfuel, you earn it as you watch streams. As you can see, these are the Gfuel streams where you can earn Gfuel by watching them. So, as you can see here, I've earned 0.0 Gfuel at the moment. Here's your pending earnings, how much is waiting to go into your account. Here's your account, this stream that you're watching. So peers, the max here is 9. The more peers you have, the better, because you earn more Gfuel. So, when you earn Gfuel, you can donate to streamers, or you can go over to the store over here and say you just want to get this Xbox One S. Here, it's $300. But if you use Gfuel, you could get it cheaper, or if you get 183,398 Gfuel, you can get it for free. So there's quite a few things on here. There's a limited edition Gfuel Sliver Shaker. Sliver was the old name for this website. That's why it says sliver.tv. Also, I talked about this shaker in my last video, and they might be making a new one. Just for a recap, anyone who hasn't watched that, they might be making a new one, but with Vita TV and the new Vita logo on. So it's probably going to be like that logo there. So next we're going to be talking about coins and predictions. As you can see here, use coins to participate in stream giveaways, earn more as you watch. At the moment I have 320 coins. You can buff the rate of how much you earn coins, because at the moment you earn 10 coins every minute you watch a stream. That's just the default amount. And you can buff the cap. The max coins you can get is 25,000. But if you buff the cap, whatever you buff it to, it could be like 50,000 you could have maximum. So now we're going to be talking about the predictions. So, let's just go on Mr. Cold Hollow stream, for example. Here, see I'm on 320 coins. He's doing a giveaway for 500 coins, a Vincero Vita TV crate, and a TikTok emote. So, just gonna mute this a second. So as you can see, he's doing just a gift one. It's got one answer, you can't really get it wrong. So say if I click on this, watch my coins. There you go. They go down 100 for when you do it. So it cost 100 just to do enter one ticket in the giveaway. More tickets, more chance you have of winning. It's kind of random, but more tickets, more chance. And if you click it again, you enter another ticket, use another 100 coins. You earn coins, as you can see here, 10 coins per minute, capped at 25,000 coins. So, next is going to be the giveaways. Let's just find a stream with a giveaway on. If I can find one. So here you go, here's a giveaway. As you see, the giveaway, choose your own Gfuel start kit, choose your own Gfuel tub, and a Splitgate Gfuel epic skin pack. Usually here, it's they have a message in the name of the giveaway. Usually this tells you when it's going to end, but you can follow them on Twitter, get 1,000 tickets, more chance of winning. Basically similar to the giveaway on the chat menu. And if you, every ticket here is another 1,000. Every ticket here is another, every coin here you enter is another ticket entered in the giveaway. These are big giveaways, you do better prizes, last longer, things like that. So, next thing we're going to be talking about is your inventory and things you earn. So things you earn, go into here, you could earn them from giveaways, like you could earn crates. By the way, I recommend opening crates. So here I opened a crate and you see I got a 50k cap buff from it. But all things in your inventory will stay in your inventory until you claim them. Once you claim them, they go claim section, and say it's a buff, that buff will be active for however long it will be. For me, it's a day with like this buff here. And here's emotes, badges. And basically, once you've earned stuff, just claim them. I recommend opening all crates, things like that. So that's pretty much all there is to Vita TV. You could sub like Twitch, follow like Twitch, donate with Vita. You can report there, but there's no need. I recommend using Vita TV because it's free stuff, and also most of the streamers are very nice. I haven't met a toxic streamer yet. So thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.